Okay, so this is the review. Sorry, it's sideways. It is what it is, though. So I'll do the ones that I didn't do in class today or in class for the review. So I'll do the other ones. So the first one here is number 3. We got parallel lines cut by the transversal. So I'm looking at this angle, and I say, oh, those are corresponding. They're both on the same side of the transversal, corresponding, so that makes them equal. So I say 2x plus 25 equals 3x minus 5. Remember, these things are always equal or supplementary. So I'm going to subtract 2x and add 5. So x equals 30. The question is find x. There you go. Okay, next one. Supposed to find x. I've got parallel lines again. This time, this angle and this angle. And I say, those look like corresponding again, right? So those are going to be equal. So 3x plus 7 equals 4x minus 2. I'll subtract 3x just so that my x's stay positive. And then I would add 2. So x equals 9. And it says find x, so I can quit there. 5 we do in class. Let's look at 7. Okay, the measure of angle 1 is 130. The measure of angle 2 is 60. We're supposed to find the measure of angle 3. Well, I look at angle 3 and I say, what other angle does it equal? So I'm looking for my z, because I have parallel lines cut by a transversal. So this angle down here that I've now colored purple would be the same as angle 3, right? And then you're like, oh, there's a triangle there. This angle that I've colored red a little bit, that's got to be 50, because 130 and 50 makes 180. So 50 and 60 and the purple angle has to equal 180, right? Because they make a triangle. So I can subtract 110 from both sides. So the purple angle is 70. So if the purple angle is 70, so is the measure of angle 3, because the purple angle and angle 3 are the same because they're alternate interior. But that was kind of fun. All right, 6 we did. Number 8, as soon as you see this kind of a thing, you are saying to yourself, oh yeah, this is where we draw that auxiliary line. And then I've got my z here. So this is angle y and this is angle y. And I've got a z up here. So this is angle x and this is angle x. So that makes angle z equal to angle x plus angle y. So x and y are 50 and 60. So angle z, the measure of angle z, is 50 plus 60, which makes 110. That was easy. All right, blah, 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 blah. Oh, this one I forgot to erase. I made one video, didn't like it, made it again. Okay, so now I have the sides of a triangle have a measure 4, 5, and 6. So I just randomly draw 4, 5, 6. It doesn't even have to be to scale or anything. I have a similar triangle whose longest side measures 9. So I'm going to draw it a little bit bigger. And since 6 is the longest side here, I'm going to make this one in that new triangle the longest side, which is 9. I'm looking for the shortest side. So the shortest side is the 4. So that means this is the shortest side in the similar triangle. And now once I do that, now I can write my proportion. I can say 4 over x is equal to 6 over 9, or 4 over 6 equals x over 9, whatever. When you cross multiply, you get 6x equals 36, so x equals 6. We're looking for the shortest side, that is x, so x equals 6. That was fun. Okay, this is the one, number 13, whatever number that is. You can't do that one because it says which statement is not true. And like, well, I don't have any statements because I cut them all out. So skip that one. 15, I have to find the length of IM, and I had marked this earlier. And I say, well, this is side 1, this is A, but this over here is leg 2. So unless I know side 2, I can't figure out leg 2. So I was like, all right, well, let's figure side 2. Because I can use SAS, right? SAS is a nice one. So 9, I should stop that. I should say S. So S1 over A equals A over S2. So 9 over 12 is equal to 12 over, I'm calling it Y. So 9Y equals 144. So divide by 9, Y equals 16. Now I have a choice. And personally, what I would do, I notice that this is my right triangle, right? And like in class today, could I just use the Pythagorean theorem? A squared plus B squared equals C squared? You're like, oh yeah, sure. So A and B are 12 and 16. So 12 squared plus 16 squared equals my L2 squared. So 12 squared is 144. 16 squared is 256. I'm pretty sure 144 plus 256 makes 400. And the square root of 400 is 20. So that's IM. IM is 20. Okay, so it's kind of a two-step problem. And then that's it. So let me know if you have any questions.